to the class. So we have 16 exponent t equals 2 multiplying the square root of 2. Now we can write 16 as 2 exponent 4. Okay? Alright. Now the next thing we are going to do is to apply the power of a power rule of indices. Okay? Alright, so our equation becomes 2 exponent 4t equals 2 multiplying the square root of 2. Alright, so we are going to have 2 exponent 4t equals, now this is the same as 2 times the square root of 2. Okay? Alright, now remember from said that if you have a times the square root of b, this is equivalent to a multiplying the square root of b, or a root b. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, this is the concept we've applied here. All right, now let's proceed. Now we are going to have, okay, 2 exponent 4t equals 2 times. Now we can change the square root on 2 or on top of the 2. Okay, so half changes, or the square root changes to be half. Okay, so 2 exponent half is the same as the square root of 2. All right, now let's proceed. Now you're going to have 2 exponent 4t equals 2 times 2 exponent half. Now any number there has a power of 1. So this 2 has a power of 1. Okay. All right. Now, let's apply the addition law of indices. Okay. So if you have a exponent m times a exponent c, you're going to have a exponent m plus c. Okay. So in this case, either you're going to have 2 exponent 4t equals 2 exponent 1 plus half. Okay, so this is what you're going to have. And here we are going to apply the one-to-one property of exponential functions. That is, if a exponent b equals a exponent c, then we can say b is equal to c. Okay, therefore, from our equation, 4t equals 1 plus half. All right, so this is what we have. Now, we are going to have 4t equals 1 plus half. Now, let's find the LCM here. Okay, so here is 2. 1 goes here. 2 multiplying 1, 2. Plus 2 goes here. 1 times 1 is 1. All right. So our equation becomes 4t equals 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. All right. So you have 4t equals 3 over 2. Any number there is over 1. So this is over 1. Okay. Or anything there is over 1. Okay. All right. So you're going to have 4t times 2 equals 1 times 3. Now this is going to give us 8t equals 3. So we have 8t equals 3. Now let's make t the subject of the relation. Sorry, let's make t the subject of the equation. So we divide here by 8, here by 8. So t equals 3 over 8.